Hello students, today we will discuss an activity based upon chapter number 11, force and pressure, that is liquid exert pressure at the same depth. Means liquid exert equal pressure at the same depth. For this what we need? Firstly, we need water, we need an empty bottle like this, we need compass so that we can make hole in this bottle. After that we need a trough like this so that water can collect in this. Now what we have to do, take the bottle and make holes at the same depth with the help of compass. Like one hole I drilled here, and see at this same depth another hole is drilled like this. Now what I'll do, I'll keep the bottle here and put water in this. Like I'm putting water. What you will observe, water will flow out of the bottle at the same depth. See. So water will cover the same distance because the hole we drilled, they are at the same distance. They are at the same depth. From here what we can say that liquid exerts same pressure at the same depth. So our first activity is proved. Now we will discuss another activity, which is your activity number 2, and what we will prove in this, water pressure increases with the depth. So for this I'll keep it aside. I'll take another bottle similar to this and I'll again drill holes in this, but I'll not drill holes at the same depth in the bottle. In this I'll make holes at different depths. Like first hole I drilled here, then second hole above, and third hole again at some distance, some height. So 1, 2, 3. 3 holes at different depths. We drilled different holes. Now again I'll pour water in this. Now what you will observe, the water coming from the highest hole, it will fall closest to the bottle. The water coming flowing out of the bottle